Take a look at the latest updates in emergencyX, designed to streamline incident management, enhance workflow efficiency, and simplify monitoring and response. Introducing a centralized incident types list to improve consistency and reduce manual effort, while Smarter Login keeps users on their requested page. Improved dashboards, maps, and a new maintenance section in inspections enhance visibility, usability, and connected workflows, helping teams stay coordinated. Flood monitoring is now faster and easier with batch close, approve, and monitor actions. Plus, incident tag filtering for better organization. The new Flood Settings tab lets you customize flood parameters for each asset, giving you more control over risk management. This demo showcases the sourcing of incident types from a centralized incident type list in emergencyX. You'll see how to select different incident types and manage your workflow efficiently. Click Incidents to open the Incident Management section where you can view and handle ongoing situations. Click Create Incident to start logging a new incident and begin the response process. From this drop-down menu, you can select the incident type, whether it is an earthquake or hurricane, according to the incident happened. Click Save, then create an incident. Click Cancel to exit the incident creation process. This demo highlights how emergencyX streamlines incident creation and categorization, enabling you to manage emergencies effectively. In this video, you will see how to navigate key features that enhance operational efficiency and response with an enhanced login experience. Click the Login button to access the emergencyX platform. Enter your password to authenticate your account securely. Enter the authentication token to proceed with login verification. Click the Continue button to advance the login process. Click the Dashboard tab to view scheduled inspections, open incidents, and alerts. Click Incidents to view and manage ongoing incidents. Here, you can approve flood alerts, monitor them, and close as and when needed. Go to Inspections to access inspection schedules and reports. Click Inventory to review available resources and supplies. You can go to Admin to configure system settings and user permissions. This video highlights emergencyX's comprehensive and enhanced login experience. This video showcases enhanced dashboard readability and map behavior in emergencyX. You'll see how to navigate dashboards, inspect assets, and utilize map layers to monitor situations effectively. Click the dashboard to view the main overview of incidents and assets. Click Jump to Incident again to refine your incident selection and focus on relevant events. You can navigate to Jump to Asset to explore additional asset details and statuses. Here, you can view scheduled inspections in emergencyX. Click Open Incidents to access all currently active incident reports for assessment. Go to Flood Monitor Alerts to view alerts generated for affected assets. Click Impacted Assets to analyze asset impact severity. Click Total Inspections to get an overview of all inspection activities and their statuses. Click Status to filter inspections and incidents based on their current progress or completion. Click here to engage with additional status filter options for more precise data views. Click here to change filter settings and focus on specific inspection or incident criteria. For example, this is a pie chart view. And this is a tabular view of total inspections in emergencyX. Click here to filter by result to focus on inspection results and statuses. Click here to refine inspection data by result categories. Here, you can check the tabular view of scheduled inspections. You can manage map layers and adjust map layer selections as well. Go to ArcGIS Layers to access available map layers for map adjustments. Click Filters to access filtering options for incidents, assets, and inspections. Click Asset Types to filter data based on different categories of assets. Click Asset Types again to adjust your asset category selections. Click Districts to filter data by geographic districts for targeted analysis. Click Counties to filter data according to county regions for localized insights. Click Impact Statuses to filter incidents and assets by their impact levels. Click Incidents to filter data based on specific incident criteria. Click Clear All to reset all applied filters and return to the default data view. This video highlights emergencyX's improved dashboard readability and map behavior. This product demo showcases how Maintenance section in emergencyX is linked with inspectX. You will see how maintenance reports in emergencyX are streamlined and linked with inspectX for a smooth workflow. Click here to open detailed information about the selected incident. Click the Schedule Date field to choose a date for the inspection or event. Go to Inspector section and assign one to the incident inspection. Now, you can set up an inspection for the selected incident. Click the Inspection Status field to view or update the current status of the inspection. Here, you can access inspection options. Click the Inspect button to begin the inspection process for the selected asset. Now, you can click the Maintenance tab to review and manage maintenance tasks related to the inspection. Here, you can exit inspection to leave the inspection interface. Switch to the inspectX application to access Maintenance section. Click Jump to Structure to navigate directly to the asset's structural details. Fill the Asset ID field to confirm the asset selection. Here, you can access the Asset page and select the Maintenance tab to access maintenance records and tasks for the asset. Here, you can manage maintenance records and view maintenance tasks that have been completed. These tasks will be updated in emergencyX later. This video highlights how maintenance records in emergencyX are linked with inspectX for the same assets for a streamlined workflow. This video showcases how emergencyX helps you monitor flood conditions effectively. You'll see how to filter data, analyze maps, and manage monitoring tasks seamlessly. Go to Flood Monitor to open the flood monitoring dashboard and view current flood data. Click Filters to customize the data displayed based on specific criteria. Go to Approval Statuses and select Approved to display only flood reports that have been approved. Select Approved Alerts and click Batch to manage multiple flood reports simultaneously. Now click Monitor to access detailed monitoring tools and data visualizations. Here, you can select the available options in the list to begin batch monitoring. You can click on Cancel or Save to either cancel changes or save operations for batch monitoring. Click Close to go for a batch close operation in emergencyX. You can provide a reason to close the alert for the selected flood report. Also, you can add comments related to the closing of the alert. Now you can either cancel or close to cancel the action and close the dialog. Here, you can navigate Map to open the interactive map displaying flood data layers. Click Draw Polygon to begin outlining an area on the map for analysis. Once you have selected the assets, you can stop drawing to finish outlining the selected area on the map. Click Batch to switch back to batch processing for flood reports. Now you can go to Monitor to revisit the monitoring dashboard and tools. You can select to choose the options available in the list. This process is similar to that of the list view. Navigate to cancel or save to discard changes made in the comment section or save it. Now you can go to Close to perform batch close operations. Here, you can provide a reason to close the alerts and add comments as well. Go to Cancel or Close to cancel the current action or close the dialog. This video highlights how to batch close or monitor approved flood alerts in emergencyX. This demo showcases the Incident Tag field in the Filters of the Flood Monitor section within emergencyX. You'll see how to filter, search, and review incident details efficiently. First, go to the Flood Monitor section in emergencyX. Click the Filters button to customize the incident view based on specific criteria. Here, you can go to Approval Statuses and select Approved to display only incidents that have been approved. Click Monitor to switch to the monitoring interface for real-time updates. Here you can find the incident tag, and you can add an incident to the approved alert. You can cancel or monitor to stop the current monitoring session or continue monitoring. This demo highlights how incident tags can be added to the alerts in emergencyX. This demo showcases how emergencyX helps you monitor flood incidents effectively. You'll see how to navigate datasets and configure flood settings to manage assets efficiently. Go to Inventory section of emergencyX where you can access various assets. Here, you can select an asset and open detailed information about this particular asset for further analysis. Here, you can find flood settings to access configuration options related to flood monitoring parameters. Here, you can select datasets available for flood settings. This video highlights the addition of the Flood Settings tab in the Asset page in emergencyX. Each of these updates is designed to simplify how you interact with emergencyX, making it easier to manage incidents, improve coordination, and respond with confidence.